Hmm. Hmm. What you got over here, man? See, look, today, I'm bringing y'all something a little different. You feel me? Uh, yes, bro. I just did that to my hair, bro. I guess I did that. You feel me? Uh, like my boy Chris got a girl. We already had to my boy having a girl, bro. Chris got a girl. This shit crazy. If Chris really got a girl, this shit crazy. We ain't gonna just react to it.
Are you available?
Oh yeah.
That's valid. I just feel like me and you. You think we look good together?
Boy, look at this nigga reaction. Hold on.
I just feel like
Come here.
me and you. You think we look good together?
Oh yeah, she crazy.
You don't think we look good together? Huh?
Hey Chris, remember what I said in the call?
You tight.
We locked
she
in.
got you.
We locked in forever. We locked in forever. You don't want to be locked.
Lifers now.
You don't wanna be locked in with me.
Yo,
You
lifers.
don't want to be locked in with
Come
me.
on, where's the key?
Why you don't want to be locked in with me?
Cause I like.
You just told me you were single, so we locked in now.
Yeah, just like I'm working on myself and stuff like that. Okay, all right, hold on.
You locked in now, so what you trying to do? Why you want to get away from me so bad? Why you want to get away from me so bad?
This TTS for fire.
Relax.
You Chris.
If you relax,
Fire, you know
the
I
more you
ain't
try to
mean
get out
it
of
for
it,
real.
the
You,
the more you try to get out
hurrah,
of it, the tighter it
you, hurrah.
is. So what we finna do?
Nothing. Like,
Nothing. We locked in now. It's me and you. You don't like
The
you don't like the way
grunts
that
in the
sound?
poll.
bro.
Where you going?
Oh my.
You acting like I'm just the worst person on this earth. Relax. We in this, like, we're going to sleep and everything.
You late stream need to get a job. What are you
Ready?
doing at 5 a.m. on Twitch?
I mean,
Find a job,
it
a
is
healthy
like-
hobby. Go
It's
to
11
class,
o'clock. It is
school.
time to go to bed.
Stop being weird.
No, it's not. Chill, bro. Give me the
24
fuck.
hours
24
ago.
hours.
24 hours. Let's do this. I can take you on a date wherever you want to go. I could buy you flowers and chocolate. That don't sound
She
like
the
a...
man.
I mean, that sound kind of cool.
Yeah.
But like, I just rather not like be locked up and shit. Like,
This is how we getting to know each other. Like, we get to know each other. We stuck close together. So what's your favorite color?
like,
Black is your favorite color out of all the colors in the rainbow?
yeah, fine.
You wanna know my favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
Huh?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Corny.
That's not a color. That's not a fucking color. Yo.
You are. You're brown. That's my favorite color.
Okay.
1
Alright, that
hour
was
in and
kind of
Chris
hot.
is getting
Bro,
held
hold on,
hostage.
bro. Get the
Hashtag
fuck.
free Chris.
Just relax.
No.
And you get your nails done too?
Stop. Hey, Gio, give me the key, bro. Come on, bro. Give me the key, bro.
You get your nails
If you
done?
don't want this fine black queen, I will take her.
Yo. Okay. It's kind of okay. Listen, though. Just at least get the key, bro. Like,
Why are you talking to them and not talking to me?
bro.
Exactly.
on,
So
key,
let's get
bro.
to know each other. Why you don't want to talk to me? You're not even looking at me in my eyes.
Gotta get some water. Could you?
Oh, you want some?
Yeah.
You want me to put you some? See, that's what couples do. We starting off good already.
Thank you. Okay.
Can I
Boy
get
got a
smile?
girlfriend, bro.
Valid. That's something. Can I get a smile?
Bro, he just hit the koala. Look.
Valid. That's something.
No, you're kidding. Stop.
Gia, give him the key.
No. You're playing. Stop.
What?
You're playing. You say you lost the
Gia. Nah, you're dead playing now. You dead playing now.
You're playing. Stop.
Gia, where's the key?
Yo.
Gia, where? And you moving? You're hurting my arm. You're hurting my arm. I'm moving. Gia, for real.
Yo,
where's the key?
stop playing.
I feel like Facebook. I
Yo, um, Duke, do you have do you have something that could cut off these handcuffs? Like, I have some handcuffs on stuck to a girl right now.
His
I'm not
girlfriend.
joking. No, not my girlfriend.
His future girlfriend.
Not my future. Do you have anything that can cut uh, handcuffs off or anything like that?
Do I have any?
Yeah.
You stuck to a woman? Are you okay? Is she harming you in any way?
No, I can't. Like it's tight on my wrist and shit. That hurt.
Why did?
I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Yeah, you was not looking hard enough. You back there playing.
Hey, fucking this nigga Gio lost it.
But you want some freak? Y'all want some freak ass
I'm not
shit?
on.
Yeah.
How about you just relax and let them find the fun you feel?
Okay.
Like
Hold on.
it's been locked with me that bad.
It's tight. You know what I'm saying? Like it's tight. You
It's
feel me?
okay. It's okay. Sit. So they basically saying we look cute together. They shipping us.
See,
That
yeah,
nigga look
Golden.
uncomfortable.
Oh, yeah, cool. Chris
Chris
and
and
Golden.
Golden.
Chris and
That'll
Golden.
be fine.
That'd be fine. I see it I'm working on me though. Like,
You keep saying that, but you could work on you.
how I do that? Like I can't get.
You could
I
work
can't-
on you could work on me. I mean, you could work on you and be with me at the same time. You don't think that's possible?
This nigga Chris is hilarious, bro. That is hilarious, bro. We gonna keep the content coming. Uh, Shout out AMP, bro. Shout out 11K too. You feel me? The group, the gang. You feel me? The guys. We gonna keep this content coming though. Hope y'all liked it, bro.